Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Ctsi Cartesi daily update. We are going to see the next targets as we had huge pumps over the last few days for Cartesi. You can see that right here we had even plus 43% followed by another plus 40%. What is next? Can we go higher in a very confusing market? Before we continue, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto. You will have the best crypto trading system out there. And of course, you will get many benefits, including personal guidance, educational videos, market updates, and many other. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day. Let's start. So Ctsi right here, of course, in the 4-hour frame, we have a triple bearish RSI divergence. You should be careful about that because this could bring further disaster in the market. Someone would argue that this could form out as a bullish pennant formation, but to be honest with you, I think that it will form out as a triple bearish RSI. And we are going to go a little bit further down, but at the end of the day, I am going to have also the exact targets so you know if you should buy, if you should sell, if you have bought around here, or what to do. Let's find out. I'm going to remove these trend lines. I will show you why I did it. And we are in the 4-hour frame. Right now we got rejected from a very hugely important resistance level, and that was the point 3260. Around there we have a very huge resistance level, and this is the reason in the last 4-hour frame we had a minus 5% correction, along with the fact that Bitcoin is not so stable right now. You can see that in the lower time frames though, we have managed to hold for now at least. For now, I repeat that, the point 3049, right here to the point 3045 actually. Why is this so important to hold? And why it is important to close above in the 4-hour frame? Because right now, this is the pivot point, okay? The point 3260 is the pivot point line. If we close above in the 4-hour frame, then we are going to go and retest the point 3648. This would be very good for those that bought near the bottom, near the top, sorry. However, the case right now is that we are in the triangle. You can see that into the 1-hour frame, we have been forming a very nice triangle with some higher lows and lower highs. This triangle after a downtrend could be the case that it is a bearish pennant formation. Okay, bearish pennant formation, we could be going further down. However, the case right here is that we could be having a neutral triangle. The triangle actually, it is not so much of a deal. I mean that we have a small triangle, so we do not anticipate huge price action. But at the end of the day, if we break down from here, it is very important to know that we could be losing the point 3045 and then we could be dropping further down. If this is a bearish pennant formation, then expect a correction. And then if we close below the point 3045, this could be a start of something hugely corrective. Okay, so you can see that we might be having a huge correction mode if we close below the point 3045 that could lead with lower highs, lower lows, leading to very nice correction for Ctsi and leading to short positions. Okay, so in fact, this is a do or die situation in general. You can see that we could be going higher or we could be going further down. You could see that Ctsi right here has the point 3045, point 3262 is the case for the point 236 Fibonacci number right here. We could be going higher, we could be going lower, but at the end of the day, until we have the breakout to the upside and the closing above condition, then we do not know. Now, because we have a triple bearish RSI divergence in the 4-hour frame, because we have the bearish panel probably formation in the 1-hour frame, I would say it is more possible that we lose this line and we go down. But at the end of the day, we have something which is pretty to our side. If Bitcoin maintains the 0.5 Fibonacci number, I had the Bitcoin update today, check it out if you want, then we can see some pumps into the altcoins. However, I will always tell you that better to follow the targets than to follow the risk metrics. Right now, you can see that we have a very high risk into the 4-hour frame, especially for Ctsi. but this could turn out as bullish. We have seen multiple times in the history that despite the fact that we get multiple bearish upside divergences, we keep going higher, right? So better to follow these two targets right here, which work as a pivot point to the downside and to the upside. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day and see you soon. Bye.